Howdy everybody out there in YouTube land. This is amateur artist Martin D. Channel once again from Manland, and well, here at Bone's yard, me, myself, and Bone, along with Putnut, we're going to investigate these chitlins right here. We ain't got but one 5-pound bag. They say you got to have a lot more. That may be the case, but we ain't gonna sit there and make a feast on this. We just trying it. That's it. And we're gonna do it over the campfire. Now, first of all, I apologize for the low lighting here inside of Bone's Yard's homestead, but we're going to clean these chitlins, okay, here in the sink here at Bone's Yard. Pork chitterlings. I love the way they pronounce chitlins as chitterlings. Tries to make it sound fancy, don't it? Because this is not a how-to video. This is a video about two white boys trying to cook some soul food over a campfire, Latino style. That's because Put read some of the print and it says it's a product from Mexico. So there you have it. Now you got two white boys from Mississippi about to try to cook some black soul food from Mexico over a campfire. Man, this video is messed up. Alright, this right here is a one-take deal. We're not going to spend a whole lot of time on the cleaning process. We're going to go ahead and cut the top of this bag off, get these chitlins out, get them cleaned. They said they're double washed. That does not mean these chitlins are clean. And there's still a little bit of ice frozen inside. So what we're going to do, we're going to rinse these things off with cool water. We're going to actually wash them here in the sink. Remove some of that ice. Get the chitlins all loosened up again. And whoa man, it kind of looks like a snake skin. What's going on here? Hey! What the heck? Come on, man. I see a dark black speck and something that looks like, I'm not sure what that is. Where you at? There it is. There's a black speck. There's a black speck. I don't know what that is, but we're going to make sure we get all these things right here clean. We got to get these chitlins cleaned. I'm not saying the package that we bought them from, they say that it's double washed. They never said they were clean. Man, this ain't worth the effort. I mean, this ain't worth the effort, man. I'm spending close to a good 30 minutes so far going through these things, just 5 pounds, trying to clean these things. And I mean, we're getting all the excrements and poop and stuff that's on there. They say these things are double washed. But anybody who's ever done chitlins before knows that no manufacturer is going to sell you clean chitlins unless you pay like $500 an ounce. But anything that appears to be debris, foreign matter, that's not supposed to be associated with a hog gut, fat, I'm trying to peel off as well as much as the membrane as I can, because this membrane is not easy to peel off. It breaks apart, flakes. Well, there's a prime example of some stuff I'm talking about right there. I hope you can see that, but that's not clean at all. This may have been double washed. You can triple wash it. You can wash it 5, 6, or 100,000 times. I don't think it's ever gonna get clean.
Man, that's what that's supposed to look like?
Yeah, man. This is your project. Have you smelled them yet?
It looks like wet paper towel.
It don't smell like no wet paper towel.
Don't smell like it.
No, it don't.
Oh, ho, ho. Man, that nasty. That's why I'd be staying up the house back in the day with my grandmama. Man, I can't eat that. Man, the boil like that.
Yeah. We got to go through the cleaning process. We got to try to do it clean, and that's why we're going to cook them on the campfire outside. Because if we do it here inside your house will not only kick me out, she'll kick you out and anybody else out for ever cooking that
Look at it.
here inside the house.
That smell compared to eating them snails, honestly, just smelling that, I'd rather eat the snail.
I think you're right.
Man, no. Oh.
So is this process worth it? I mean, it took a long time to clean them chitlins. Oh man, my hands, I don't know if y'all can see that they're all wrinkly from the water. And we ran out of hot water. And I wasn't using scalding hot water, I had it on like a warm water. The smell is still on my hands. It was about an hour of cleaning just 5 pounds. Is it really worth it? In my opinion, at this stage right now, ain't worth it at all. Man, I don't stand this stuff, man. Bone says I can't even use a good cook pot because he don't want to sit there and cook this stuff in his good cook pot. So I gotta sit there and cook on this camp cook pot. We gotta do something to try to kill that smell. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Bone's putting it on the fire right now for the first time.
I just re-singed my eyebrow.
That's a big old fire. And the pot looks like it's sitting crooked. There is no onion, no potato, no seasoning, nothing in there but water and them so-called cleaned chitlins. Absolutely correct, because I'm going to cook this, parboil it for 1 hour. That's it, 1 hour. And then I'm going to take them, put them back in the kitchen sink, cool them down, and check them again. Make sure I got all that so-called fat and lining and poop out of there that I can possibly physically do. And then we will get down to the cooking process. So there you go. That's what we're doing. That's my plan. And after I get them boiled, it's gonna be up to Bone to do
the fry.
The fry.
I fried. I'm about no boiling. I'm gonna taste it. May hurl again. It ought to be good. Ought to be good.
I don't know if it's gonna be ought to be, but there you go.
Ain't no way. I bet it tastes like it smells.
I don't know. After we get through and finish boiling these things a few times, who knows? Now, to be perfectly honest here, we're cooking these chitlins here. We're going to parboil them first for about an hour. And to me, there's really no smell. I can't smell them. I mean, it's not like a very unpleasant odor. When I was in there in the kitchen doing the cleaning process, yes, I had a definite smell. But it wasn't anything that was overpowering or anything like that. So this is a disclaimer just for the video to let y'all know that we're out here making fun of cooking chitlins. What's that smell? Oh, hell no. For real? Oh. Okay, I retract that last statement. I just got a good whiff of them.
I've got the perfect. Ugh, that stinks. I done figured out how to cook chitlins. And so you gotta have a clothespin, you see. And you throw it on there, and when you open it up, they don't make clothespins like you used to. But it's either that or my nostrils are too big. Now the perfect way to cook this is to put that clothespin over your nose and cover up that smell. That way you can be able to open it up and look at it to see if it's done or not. Perfect way to, I think it's a good idea.
Bushcraft. This is the first parboil of the chitlins, and we've actually went a little bit longer than the parboil setting that we set for ourselves, which is usually about an hour. From a YouTube video that I saw, and Bone's about to remove the lid, and oh mercy me, I don't know if I want to smell this. Ooh, look at the milky white consistency. That's all that fat rendered off of it. Oh.
I know this is not a cooking utensil, but
go ahead.
it can't help hurt it.
It can't hurt it. No.
You put milk in there?
No, I didn't put no milk in there.
What's the white cream come
That's
from?
it. That's water and chitlins. That's it. There's no seasoning in there whatsoever.
I can't smell it.
I can't either. I cannot smell it.
That's right, because the wind's blowing my direction, but see, I got the clothespin on.
Oh, you got the. Oh, yeah.
You never saw it?
No, not to just now.
Well, I'm smart.
What we're going to do is run in here and put that back in the kitchen sink and drain that fluid off of there. And now we're going to add our onion. See, the onion and the potatoes are supposed to keep the smell down when you cook it in the house, but that may actually help. But we're cooking outside, and it was bad enough. So we're going to add onion, potatoes, some celery. I think we got some celery. And definitely some seasonings. And we're going to sit there and actually boil these things seasoned, tenderize them. We'll try them what I call in the boiled raw state, and then we're going to fry them up. Man, this ain't fun no more. This ain't fun. They still smell like chit.
Oh, man.
And but I put that onion in there. It's a medium to a large onion. Red pepper flakes, cayenne pepper,
Salt and pepper?
a lot of salt, a lot of pepper,
I think you need to
garlic powder, and some onion powder.
I think you need to just throw everything in the cabinet in it. You know, like Worcestershire, liquid smoke, Dale's, Country Bob, everything.
And can you zoom in on the handle right there where it goes in? I know it's a little bit crooked, but you see that white stuff on there?
On what?
On the handle right there where it hooks into the pot.
Yeah.
See it on the bottom around?
Yeah.
That's the fat that was rendered off of it. It
Fat?
stuck to it. Yeah, I couldn't wash it off even with hot water.
Oh, gosh.
It's nasty, man.
Yeah.
It's gnarly. And I just washed my hand with your Dawn dishwashing liquid, the blue. Not green, but the blue.
Man, you gotta use gasoline.
I'm not looking forward to this. I'm not gonna sit there and tell you I'm gonna even taste this. Try it. I'm done. Once it's boiled, once it goes through this boiling process, what I imagine about another hour and a half, 2 hours, something like that, I will try it fried, because the poo-poo is still in there. Even though
Come on, man.
When you remove the poo-poo, you think you removed it and you can't see it no more. You got to realize there's microbiological little microbes of poo-poo still in there, and that's what we smell. And that's it's the poop factory. We're about to eat the stuff that makes the stuff that nobody wants to admit to eating. You know the old analogy, and I apologize for this, I really do. The old analogy of eat shit and die. That's about what's gonna happen. Y'all, Bones went in there to get 2 forks because we're about to try this thing. I call it the raw state, which I want to eat it fried. That's how I remember eating it. But we're gonna do it after it's been boiling for about 2 hours. Could have been a little bit longer. We're not keeping up with the time. We know that we've got maybe about an hour and a half of sunlight here left, and we started about noon or noonish, somewhere in there. But for some reason, I have a real phobia on trying this. And you know, this is supposed to be comedy. We're supposed to be making fun about this. This is getting serious. Usually, when I do a video of something that's in the unknown, as far as unknown cooking, stuff like that, I make light of the situation. I am really not looking forward to this, because I was the one that was cleaning it. I smelt it through its whole process. We've got onions and all kind of spices in there now. It still smells like chitlins or shitlins. It still has that smell. And I've got a phobia right now, and this is the first time I ever admit having a phobia on cooking something else. I think I'd rather eat a cow brain or raw deer hearts. I've done that before. Never on video, but I've done that, and all that stuff is pretty daggum good. This is part of the chit factory mechanism. It comes in direct contact with it, even though they say they're double washed, pre-cleaned. I don't care what brand you buy, it is still got the chit in there, and you've got to clean it. And when you go through that process, it makes a person not want to eat this.
Just to see if it's done. I don't know why I got 2 forks out, because we use the same fork.
It's sanitary conditions, man. I don't want to eat after somebody that just eat. Hey, it's a different color. That's a good thing.
Brown.
It's really a brown color.
Is that good or bad?
It's actually good according to the video I saw. And it's not a white milky flavor. And it's not a thick. Oh, you found a thin one.
Yeah. I gotta get you one too.
Yeah, I want a thin one. I got a feeling these things are going to end up being buried next to the snails. Oh no!
You should have pinched them.
No, I didn't cut them up, man. I didn't cut them up. I did not cut them up.
Man, that stinks, man. Hide in heaven.
Hey, I smell onion.
I smell the thing.
The thing?
Yeah, I smell it.
I smell it too, but it smells like onions.
I'm
That helps.
cooking all damn night.
It needs to go be cooking a little bit longer, Unless you can. I tell you what, take the one you got right there and try to cut that in half.
We'll cut that in half, cause
yeah, see if it's tender. See if it's tender. Yo, this is intestines. Is that a piece of poo-poo, or is that pepper, or what is that, man?
Hey, man.
Hey, try not to gross anybody out here, but.
Oh, I broke it apart.
There we go, finally. I'm gonna go ahead and take that. Right now. A small piece right now. I'm eating it right now. And oh.
Does it taste anything like it smells?
Yep, I just threw that away. I threw it in the fire. No. I ain't gonna do that. It tastes exactly like it smells. If you convert that smell into a flavor, and then you eat it, that's exactly what it tastes like.
I'm not
now my tongue's burning now. I got the pepper action going on.
I'm not gonna offend nobody.
But I got the sun in the way.
But if you old folks eating this and calling it good, that's because you're old, and your taste buds and then got old.
Yeah, and died.
There ain't no way. There ain't no way in hell I would ever eat nothing like that if you didn't eat it.
I'm telling you, man, that's nasty.
Oh, man, gummit.
That tastes like rubber. It's a rubber.
No, not the texture.
No, I'm telling you exactly what it tastes like. Has anybody ever took a condom and put a condom in their mouth?
No.
Okay, well, there you go. Has anybody ever taken a condom and
Was it nasty though?
put it in the wrong hole and then put it in their mouth?
No.
Okay, there you go. That's exactly what that tastes like. That is exactly
And that's not
what that tastes
exaggerating.
like. I'm not exaggerating. We've got onions. We got all kinds of spices in there. Good spices.
Maybe I go put a potato in there. That ain't nothing. Ain't gonna help that.
I ain't gonna waste no damn tater on that. No, ain't gonna do it.
Well, I'm doing mashed potatoes. So
Well,
I can't
I'm gonna let that boil down. We're gonna fry a few pieces just to see, and that's it. I'm done. I am done after this. I don't mind trying other weird stuff, wild stuff, but I knew that was not gonna be something I was gonna like.
I didn't like it when I was a kid by smelling it, and I damn sure ain't gonna like it now. But my taste buds has changed, and I eat a lot of things now that I never did when I was a kid.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a very weak stomach entrepreneur here. This is General Putnut, or Putnut of Putnut Land, and he's going to try that piece of boiled chitlin.
I mean, no, it's not bad, but it's not good either. I tasted a lot of onion.
Good. Well,
What
we're
would you
gonna
rather
find out.
have? What you just ate or them snails?
Even though snails whooped my butt, but yeah, I had to go with snails.
That ain't
I'm
right now.
trying to
No,
fucking
don't
let-
just try the onion.
I'm trying the onion first.
We're trying to get Bone to
I'm
try
gonna
the.
try the onion first.
All right, go ahead.
Make sure the onions are done, because the onions ain't done, you know.
Well, that onion's done, man. That onion is done.
If this onion's got the flavor of that, I know I ain't been eating.
No, you gonna eat it. I just tried it. I didn't swallow. I just spit it out.
And it does have the flavor of the taste.
It does, don't it?
Yeah, it messed me up.
Yeah, the onion
The
absorbed the.
The onion soaked up that flavor.
Yep. So go for it now. I'm trying to keep the sun off
And
the
it's hot,
camera.
like you got pepper in it.
Yeah, I add a lot of spice to it now.
Now, I'm going to try that.
Get a big piece and cut it off and do what you got to do, man, because this stuff is.
I'm trying to. Oh, man. The onion, personally, that onion was nasty.
Ladies and gentlemen, the purpose of this boiling process and seasoning process is
Man,
not what you're trying to see us do now.
man, this stinks, man.
It's actually to do fried.
They say it helps out on the
F-R-I-E-D.
smell, but
Yeah.
it don't help out on the flavor.
It's the fried version we're going for. We 5 pounds. That's $8.89 or whatever it was.
Oh,
The cost of seasonings and all this stuff just for us to sit there and
That onion
say
wasn't good,
we're not
no.
going to eat it.
it really
But
was.
here we
I
go.
mean,
Here
you
we
got
go.
pepper in there, so I'm burning my mouth.
Yeah, it's got a little heat to it now. Let me get a shot at it real quick. Yeah.
All I can say is, if the
Here we
people who actually enjoy this and like it, you're a damn fool.
Yeah, they lied. It's got to be an acquired taste.
Oh, this ain't no mind thing, because I never had it before. You can chew for hours.
It's not tender?
Yeah, but it's still chewable.
Yeah.
Like bubble gum.
It's like a wet noodle. It's not quite fully cooked. Or maybe it is. It's rubbery. So does the flavor taste like the smell? Did you swallow? All right, here we go. Yeah, that's too big, man. Oh yeah, get a good, big, healthy piece. There you go. Yeah, that's what I'm screaming. Yeah, put it in there. Bone went out there and spent some big money on some
That
very
onion didn't have
expensive.
enough.
Man, he spent some big money on some good flour and meal, and he got black pepper in there.
Get
And,
off a damn floor. I'm going to touch it with my hand.
oh, how did it hang? It's even clinging to the
God.
gripper thingy.
I think this is the only one that we need to try.
Yeah, just fry one piece. We're done. There's nothing gonna help this. I swear to you, man, it ain't gonna help it. Sorry about the sunlight, y'all. The sun's going down. This has been an all-day process, and now we're gonna sit there and actually finally get down to the
Now it's
gritty of
starting to
the
look like an intestine. Like it
yeah.
really is.
Yeah. That look, the only thing that likes that is zombies. The Walking Dead, man, they full of it. Zombies love to eat human guts. And this ain't human. Pig guts is the closest thing we got to a human analogy, and hey, maybe we'll wrap it in bacon.
I ain't wasting no good flavor on bacon, just like you didn't like wasting hot sauce.
Right? Bones just said plop.
Slap it on there.
He's like, I'm gonna get this thing over with. Who was that told you to do this?
James Humor said he would never try it, but he did try it and he likes it. He likes it a lot. They must know how to cook up north in Ohio.
Ohio.
You get it?
Yeah, dude, you gotta put that damn lid back on here. I can smell that.
Ohio.
Yeah, Ohio. They're definitely high, and they're like, oh, yeah, put the lid back on. Man, that thing stinks.
Ohio. When you see a dog run by and see his butthole, see like these chitlins. Oh. Yeah.
I think it just ruined man, them chitlins just ruined my Ozark Trails cast iron Dutch oven. I don't know how I'm gonna get that smell and flavor out of it now. It's permeated. It's permeating the entire wood. Look at these woods, man.
I knew it was gonna smell bad, but I ain't smelled
man.
this in 30 years. 40.
It come from
40.
Mexico. It come from Mexico. That might be the problem.
Not smelled
It came from Mexico, man. Come on.
I knew it used to
It's
stink.
not good Southern chitlins. Not from the South. It's Mexican chitlins, man. They be feeding them pigs tacos or something.
And none of this is play acting. I'm serious. I mean, this is very disappointing.
Yeah. It is for me too. I agree. We're gonna sit there and give that time to.
People talking about how good they are. Kind of pisses me off.
All I can say is burn it, man. Burn it like it's a pork rind.
Man, I'm wasting good oil.
I'm still burping.
Is that what it's supposed to look like when you fry it?
No, it's supposed to have a breading on it, but
We got to double dip it.
yeah, maybe. But right now,
Ain't it's
if
the
it,
same thing.
if it don't taste good at this
Man,
stage,
if you got to eat the bread to make it taste good, it ain't worth tasting.
that's what I'm saying.
Oh, it's crispy.
It's crispy. Thank goodness. Ooh, sounds crunchy.
I could eat a fried chicken that long. Not chicken, chitlin that long.
Really?
People always say that. So we're going half and half of that. I taste all that heat that you put in it,
Yeah.
too.
It sounds crunchy though.
It's very crispy. Nothing but pure crisp.
Maybe we over fried it, but is it? Did the fry help? Really? Is that a boneyard?
Boneyard guarantee.
It sounds like a. It sounds like a devious ploy to get us
You
to.
can actually eat that.
Really?
Now, I got the small end. That's the bigger end with more fat stuff in it.
Yeah. Which
got a
one's
little-
not fat?
It's
Everything.
got a little bit of that flavor in it. I'm talking about extreme little.
Well, I'm gonna try this
But
right here.
that's like kind of eating like an over fried bacon, but it don't taste like bacon though. You know, don't get me wrong.
And
that-
your dog's over there
No,
grunting
that
and
piece
farting.
right there, that piece got that flavor in it though.
It got that behind hole
Yeah,
flavor.
Yeah.
All right, let me try
That's
this.
not good. That's not good.
All
That's
right,
not good.
Let me try this. All right, I got to while the camera's still rolling. Here,
That piece got that flavor to it. And that's what.
It helped it.
You gotta get all that.
You gotta
clean it.
You gotta cook it thoroughly, man. You probably got the only piece of the. Never mind. We're trying to make the video polite as we can,
That,
but
I swallowed it.
he swallowed it. All right. It looks like bacon since we fried it.
You didn't clean it right.
This
man.
piece right here, I probably didn't. I mean, I can't clean it no better than I cleaned it.
You gotta do all that, man.
That's a long. Dog is having a fit over here.
Really?
Give Wee Wee some. Let's find out if a dog eat it. You gonna eat it, Wee Wee? Wee Wee said. Wee Wee said. Oh, he took off and run.
It's not
So
bad.
that
but
gives me some hope.
there was one little piece that wasn't charred.
Yeah.
It had that fat type of. That's the part that had that flavor to it. And they still call it good.
It doesn't have that.
Oh, he's
The
eating.
dog's eating it now.
Yeah, the dog's eating it. Thank goodness. And that dog's eating it. Wow.
As long as it's crunchy, it's good. Get to the part that ain't crunchy. Yeah. Oh.
Dogs adding sound effects back here. That's actually edible.
Yeah.
But
Still got
I can still taste that flavor.
Whatever you want to call it.
I can taste that flavor. And I'm talking about, I'm trying to be polite, butthole flavor.
Oh, that's why they say to cut up in small strips.
It don't matter.
It does.
Long,
No,
short,
If
small.
Up, well, you got to try it. Get the edges, just the edge.
I'm going to try to eat this whole
The
piece.
edge is better. Just the edge.
I can taste the, it doesn't have the smell now, predominantly so much, but it still tastes like it used to smell. That's what I'm trying to say. Dog.
She didn't eat all of it. She didn't eat it. Oh, so you going back?
The good thing is crunchy. It ain't like no pork rind, but it's a very dog.
I think she got a hurl.
The more it's in my mouth before I swallow, I'm trying to be serious here. Oh, that actually had good flavor right there. Wow.
One part don't,
Wow.
one part does.
Wow. I took the rest of my mouth hoping that will suffice. Oh, no. No.
The piece of fat was there.
Ah! Yeah.
Oh, you didn't even try it. You threw it away. Yeah, I see. I don't blame you.
But you know what, ladies and gentlemen? I don't know if we did this right. I don't know if there's a secret formula to prepare something right. I'm going to let Bone take it over, but all I got to say right now is this. If you got to do all that work to get these chitlins to taste good, you got to spend hours and hours of cleaning.
Hours.
Parboiling, pre-boiling.
Hours.
All that seasoning, everything you got to do to make these dadgum hog guts taste good.
Hours.
Yeah, ain't it good?
Hours.
Look at the sun going down now. We started this around what? Before 12?
About 1:30. We actually
1:30?
started getting hot.
Oh, yeah.
1:30 and it's 4. You can boil it for so long to make it tender. You ain't gonna boil it to get that flavor out. If y'all have acquired taste for that, you're idiots. That means you don't know no better. Unless I'm an idiot, because my taste buds are different from everybody else's. But that was nasty.
That's very nasty. And that center piece I had was actually tasty. And
Fried
the rest
was
of it
better.
was not.
But once you get to that fat type of
That
flavor,
fat, yeah.
maybe I need to cook it longer.
You can fry another piece if you want to.
Fry
I'll
it
try it.
longer. Make it black or something.
Yeah, blacken that sun gun up.
I don't know.
I'll try
Never
it.
done
Let's try it.
before. I don't know nothing about it.
We'll do
I'm
some
done.
blackened seasoning.
I'm good. That's enough for me.
So we're going to throw the rest of this out?
And you know, I asked the man at work, what do you do after you cook it and this, and that, and other, and can you put it in the refrigerator and eat the next day? He's like, yeah, as long as you put it in the refrigerator.
Yeah.
I may take it to him to have at it. And if he likes it or wants it and eats it, you're a sick individual.
Well, I put it this way, Bone. If you do this, if he says it's actually good, then that means we did the right cooking stage. If he says, no, that's nasty, then that means we did something wrong.
Well, you're supposed to take the musk glands out of it.
Where? Where are them glands at?
Now, that stuff right there is frying up good. Now, that's actually, we're making it.
That's
That may even be
man,
better.
people are eating shit shoots, man. I can't.
Still got fat coming out of it.
No.
Maybe we didn't fry it long enough.
You cannot enjoy anal juice.
I'm gonna try that though.
That's anal juice, man. No. This ain't right.
I'm gonna try that one.
That's what I spit out my mouth, man.
Don't care. I'm gonna try it. It's sanitized. Oh, come on. No, you gonna try it.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the average artist, Mark D. Chandler from Manland. That right there is Bone's yard.
Wait, that's yours right there.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm giving up. There's Putnut of Putnut Land, and there's the dog that was doing all the sound effects in the background.
You gonna try it again, Mark?
Hell no, I'm done, man. I'm done.
That's Manland juice.
This is, yeah, I will not even, oh no, it ain't gonna happen.
That first bite was actually good until
I mean, the
you got
very
to the
first,
center of it, and there you went, blah.
I'd rather have the snails.
No, I ain't. I know. I'd
No.
rather have nothing.
Well,
I'd
you're
rather
right.
go
You're
hungry.
right. You're right.
I eat grass and
I guess
Okay,
next we're
great.
gonna try some earthworms, spaghetti-ized earthworms. Mmm.
I ain't doing all that.
I ain't either.
I ain't that dumb. I'm just dead serious. That's just.
That's just sick, man. Chitlins. Chitlins is a
Got
no-go.
white foam coming out of it.
Oh, it's white foamy. Ooh, that might be my spit.